Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can fade in or fade out the background images and photos for your presentations on Google Slides. So without further ado, drop a like and now let us get started. Launch your presentation on Google Slides or use a pre-existing one. And let me go, for instance, with the slide here to the left with a background image. So let me choose that one here, for instance. So what you want to do, guys, to make that photo or image here fade in or fade out is left click on the given photo or image, and after that right click on it and select animate from the drop down menu here. This is going to open up that panel here to the right. So all you need to do, guys, is simply click on that arrow down icon here next to appear and select your animation type, like for instance fade in or fade out. So let me go with a fade in effect, for instance. And that's basically it. That's how you do it, guys. You can choose, for instance, if you'd like to trigger that animation on click or to play it automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.